Hey everybody, I'm Matthew Heines. I'm standing out here at Yellowstone National Park. I'm right down the range from the Old Faithful. Here is, of course, for the big debut of my new book, The RAINIER Paradigm, which is, of course, about volcanic activity, but all the way back up in Seattle. So why would I come here to the Yellowstone caldera to do a video about Mount Rainier? Well, because this summer we're having a lot of volcanic activity out here, and who knows, maybe this is part of a secret project that may be associated with the RAINIER paradigm. We don't know, but there are a lot of earthquakes going on right now, and we all know that that secret project they have going up in Alaska, it might have something to do with this. So let's pay attention. I want to let you guys know the RAINIER paradigm is available at Amazon in print and on hindsight.com in print for $26.99. and on Kobo, Kindle, iBooks, and Barnes & Noble's Nook, all for $9.99. So I hope you guys enjoy reading the RAINIER Paradigm. It's a fantastic book. It's funny. If you love Seattle or hate Seattle, you're going to love the RAINIER Paradigm. So I'm Matthew Heines from Yellowstone Park. We'll see you next time.